Okay, welcome to Casper's studio. This is a sound check for forgot what song I'm doing. There's so many songs I've been doing. Okay, yeah, Summer Wine. Alright, so we're going to give it a go here and just see how the drums sound coming through this system and how the guitar and everything sounds missing a string. Hey, partner, so I want to know what you think of this, if I get a good take here. If I don't, well, you'll never see it, so. This guitar, this pick. Hopefully I have my drums set up so they go. Of course, it doesn't probably sound like the song yet, but it's getting close. I have to kind of listen to it more to get a feel for it. My drums are probably not quite perfect yet, but get closer.